Like, it's just so rainy outside, and yeah, the birds keep pooping on my window. Like, this is my bedroom. Anyways, it's just really nasty outside, and not too fond of the rain.
My favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 1, 2023. Y'all, I am so excited that Vlogmas is here. So I thought that the first video, of course, has to be what it is I have in store. So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is C'Aira. For those of you who are an old subscriber, welcome back, and thanks for tuning in to today's upload. Vlogmas. What is Vlogmas, right? You want to know. If you're new to my channel and you've never seen any of my Vlogmas videos before, I will link the entire playlist down in my description box down below. Vlogmas is where you vlog every single day up until Christmas. You can also vlog for the entire month of December. You can also choose to do week-long vlogs that come out on either Friday or Sunday to catch up on what it is you've been doing throughout the week. It's totally up to you. So if you have not caught up on my videos and you're wondering where the red hair come from, you got to go catch up, because it's been a long time coming, and I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I did it. I feel like my hair is more healthier. I feel like it is just more like giving life here. The blonde was cute, but at the same time I felt like my hair was breaking off more with the blonde, and I'm able to just wear the red the way that I want to wear it. Anyways, what type of content do you do for Vlogmas is totally up to you, and you know, what you choose to put out there is what you choose to put out there. How many, pieces of content should you put out for Vlogmas? Once again, that's totally up to you. Whether you do 25 days leading up to Christmas, you do 12 days leading up to Christmas, or whether you do once a week for the month of December, once again, it's totally up to you. You also can drop shorts. You can also drop videos. It's, like I said, totally up to you. Vlogmas, just like Vlogtober, is definitely a hit or a miss. So don't get upset about the numbers of your videos, because everybody's trying to watch everybody's videos. Everybody's everywhere. So if you only have 20 to 40 views on a video, don't be upset. That's just how Vlogmas and Vlogtober are. So the other day, my mom got some candles from this lady, and it was like 12 to 15 candles. So it was about $40 for those. They're all Bath and Body Works. So the first one I'm busting out, this great holiday scent, is the Spiced Gingerbread. It's a scented candle made with natural essential oils. Okay, so what I'm doing is planning out my Christmas playlist. I love to have a Christmas playlist put together so that I can, like, do things such as cleaning or just get in that mood for Christmas. So yeah, that's what I'm doing over on Spotify. I will be sharing out my Christmas playlist, as like right now It's only 25 songs, and of course like those type of videos get copyrighted, but I feel like if I switch it up, maybe it won't. And then yeah, so anyways, I'm on my work computer doing my Spotify Christmas list, but then I also have my regular computer where I kind of do like a bunch of my planning. So the first thing I'm gonna go do is open up my Google Doc where I am creating my monthly calendar for December, and just have me a nice cup of coffee to sit back and enjoy and plan. Alright, let me give you guys the inside peek to that. Like I said, 26 songs. Now, like I said, where I plan everything at, which is in my Google Docs, is what I'm going to. Alright, so far I have like day 1 planned, day 2 planned, and then I am just going in and adding in like things for days to schedule it out. So my Christmas playlist, that could easily be put together really quickly, so I put that down for the 5th, and I'm just gonna fill in the calendar and kind of like plan out my Vlogmas. If it goes correctly, it goes correctly. If it doesn't, that's fine. What I do typically is print out a blank one of these, and then I print out one with the ideas for each day, and then I kind of just like go from there. So some of my ideas for Vlogmas and like Vlogtober I get from Pinterest, because you can go to Pinterest and you can easily like see what everyone else is doing, and also you can go to YouTube and just type in Vlogmas, and then a bunch of like video ideas will pop up, and just go like kind of based off of that. Of course it's not gonna go like their video does, but it's just a good idea of like different things to do, especially like if you've already done these last year. Don't attempt to do them again unless it really did well on your channel. So some of these I printed off last year. Actually I printed these off a couple months ago just to be like ahead. So like, you know, you see the different thumbnails or whatever that you guys can easily do. I just glued them to this piece of paper. And it also helps to just plan some things out. So hey, it is what it is. Okay, so not only was I able to go ahead and plan fully for the month of December, but I am going to show you guys some of the things that I have in store. As I said before, with Vlogmas, sometimes you just have to roll with the flow. Your ideas don't always work, and that is one thing that I'm probably gonna, you know, regret with planning out my videos. But at least I have an idea of like when I go to vlog, I need to hit that line, letting you guys know what day is what and what I'm doing in the vlog. So let's just go ahead and let me show you guys the plan. Alright, now that I have it together a little better, here is basically the plan. So I am planning for Vlogmas and a new intro that's being revealed at the end of this video, so you have to stay tuned for that. I am going to be sharing with you guys some eggnog recipes, some Starbucks, going out for a basketball game, girls night out, a winter AM routine, decorate with me, Christmas room decorate, letting my followers control my life for 24 hours. So hopefully you guys follow me over on Instagram to answer those questions. I'm also going to try to do a Christmas playlist through Spotify. And then I feel like what I'm going to do is do a weekly vlog that falls on this Saturday, and then anything else that falls in here, like I said, the weekly vlog right here, you know, could end up being pushed back. We'll just have to see. But at least I have like some ideas planned. So of course I already have the AM routine up there, so I might have to do a PM routine down here, making gingerbread or like baking with my kiddos, Christmas Eve boxes, do it yourself, weekly vlog, Trader Joe's winter and Christmas finds. I would love to go in there and see what they have. My Christmas wish list, Christmas crafts. I'm trying to do a Sunday reset, probably after the 15th, because that is my last day to work. And then I have the 2 full weeks off until the 2nd of January. Of course, I want to do my weekly vlog number 3. And then I'm going to do winter Christmas drinks like mocktails, cocktails, stuff like that. And then of course I want to get back into getting my fitness started back, but we'll see if that even happens. And then of course wrapping gifts with me. I want to do a big video that kind of like reflects back on our trip to Myrtle Beach. So our first trip to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, food and attraction highlights of 2023, as we are planning on going back for 2024. I do want to do a winter and Christmas food suite, a vlog for the week number 4, and then of course to do Christmas Eve and a Christmas vlog together. So that's everything I have planned. Alright, so for the moment you all have been waiting for, I am including my new intro. This is just something that I quickly put together through Canva. So if you're not on Canva, be sure to go over and definitely sign up. I have Canva for free because I am a teacher. So if you're a teacher, you just need to send in your teacher ID so that they can change your plan. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the intro, and I'll see you guys for Vlogmas Day 2 tomorrow. Is this thing on?